All right, so here's something weird that happened. There was an amazing Mastermind business event that was going down in Colombia, Medellin, and they were trying to invite all these A players who are running successful online businesses, and we just get together and do cool shit in a jungle. We got invited, and we went.
Yo, it's a slide.
Holy shit, yo.
Holy crap. Woo! Yo, this is fast as shit. Hey guys, what is up? How's it going? This is Kazi from cleverprogrammer.com. Out here in Colombia, we are actually staying at the Dan Carlton Hotel. That's what is behind me. How are you doing, Cluxio?
Yo, we living life, baby.
Right here.
Woohoo!
We just got done counting our 3 million pesos. Check out the view. Looking kind of nice. So we're now coming out to explore and see kind of like what is around us.
Hopefully we don't get robbed.
And if you guys have any suggestions for where we should go, let us know. But yeah, up until this point, I was recording the vlog only to realize that there was no audio. That was kind of sad, but now the audio should be there. The language barrier has been a problem. One of the funny things that kind of happened was we ate at a buffet. So they came and gave us a check, and so we paid, and it was like 94,000, and I was like, whoa, that's crazy. But like, all right, let's go explore the city and see what's going on around us. Ooh, lots of people. The air is much fresher here, I gotta say. It feels very clean. The US, the air doesn't feel this natural. All right, so these guys dance right over here every time the light turns red. Here we go! Light, you got an entertainer, and that's how these guys earn their living. Hey guys, what is up? How's it going? This is Kazi from cleverprogrammer.com. We are here in the Pablo Escobar mansion, which is pretty dope. The pool is looking pretty cool. She's got this epic freaking pool. Medellin. How to dance like this, and definitely the pool. We are in a park. We don't know what it's called, but we are in Colombia, Medellin. Hola amigos, como
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Mustafa, ¿y tú?
¿Cómo te llamas? To travel, do travel to this place and check it out. Checking out the culture here, it's very, very cool, really epic. As we find out more places, I'll show you guys them around, okay? So now let's go. Oh, I heard there are a lot of stairs here. Yeah. This is a really epic place, you guys. If you guys get a chance to come to Colombia, Medellin, definitely come to this spot. I'll try to put the name of it here. Yeah, definitely come here. Just like the air in Colombia, in this place is like fresh and really amazing, like super refreshing. When I'm in California, honestly, it doesn't really feel like that. It's like there's a lot of light pollution and pollution in general, and you don't have a lot of nature. Whereas here, there's a lot of natural stuff. Check out what this thing is, guys. Yo, it's a slide.
Holy shit, yo.
Holy crap. Woo! Yo, this is fast as shit! Oh my. Yo, that was so fast. What do we do?
That was epic. That was really fast. I loved it.
Yo guys, just ate at this place. Asados El Punto del Sabor Paisa. So good. Thank you so much. Gracias, señor. That place is fire. You guys, if you guys are here, definitely check it out. Very, very epic view. You guys are gonna be seeing it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoosh. Hola, mi amigo.
Hola, ¿cómo está? This view es muy
Bueno.
bonita.
What's your name?
Jessica.
Her name is Jessica. She's part of this group now. We have a group of, how many people do we have now?
5, 6, 7, 8, Jesse.
8.
Okay, so for some reason, we didn't think our trip was adventurous enough. So we decided to climb this incredibly giant, huge, awesome, and epic mountain.
We're going up there. That's gonna be crazy. Jenny, you ready to go up there?
Yes.
She's ready. She's excited. Billy, you ready to go up there? Ready. Nice. Yeah, this is Guadape or Guadape. This is Hamilton, and he's the one who helps us around. See? Navigate in this place, find new places, otherwise we'd be totally lost. He's like the Chuck Norris. Oh, I see my friend up there. Wow, he's really high. Wow, see? It's beautiful. 250. Wow.
Tome agua.
I made it to the top of this mountain. As you can see, very, very tired. It was about 650 steps. It was a lot of fun. We came up pretty fast. Let me show you guys around. So this is where we are. Pretty high up. Okay guys, we are gonna be traveling on a private yacht, one of these, also known as a boat. We have Hamilton with us, that's good. This is Pablo Escobar's house. This is one of his mansions. And actually, we're staying at Pablo Escobar's mansion as well right now.
Okay, so we saw really cool stuff on that boat ride. We saw Pablo Escobar's bombed homes to James Rodriguez, who's a soccer player, Colombian player, one of my favorite players. And now we're actually headed off to the jungle on a really dangerous hiking trip where they actually had us sign a waiver for, if something happens to us, because it told us there's snakes, vipers that'll bite you and rot your flesh, and also snakes that'll paralyze you for 72 hours. Being us, we thought it was going to be fun and would make for a cool vlog, and so we went.
It's awesome.
So, okay, some of the footage was lost, some of the audio was missing, but regardless, we had an epic trip, a really amazing journey to Colombia, Medellin. Medellin is how they say it. And what we ended up finding out was this is not a city where there are drug cartels on every corner. A Cali cartel is going to kill you. Pablo Escobar's men are going to come out of somewhere. And we definitely didn't even see anybody dealing drugs. What we saw was an amazing place. All of those other things were just stereotypes. It was a beautiful place with loving people, incredible coffee. I'm gonna miss their coffee. It had malls. It was very developed. We got to stay at epic hotels for actually pretty cheap price as well. And we had a great time, learned Spanish, and we'll definitely go there again. The jungles and the mountains, those were some of the most beautiful, breathtaking scenery sights that we've seen in our entire life. And this is a place that I'm going to be going to in a month or two. And I would definitely like to go there this time for a much, much longer time. So in conclusion, I urge you guys to go to Colombia, Medellin, and check it out for yourself. And I just urge you to travel and explore your possibilities, because look, when you look around, the world is a huge place, and just being trapped in your little land, you don't want to be part of that statistic where you live and die within a 300-mile radius of where you were born. So don't be a statistic. Go out and explore more. And like one of the most hated YouTubers currently says, life's not short. You just got to do more. I agree with him. His name is Logan Paul. So do more and enjoy your life.